Hey, thanks so much for talking with us today.
No problem.
So let's get started. What's your name?
My name is Maria.
And what are you studying here at Waterloo?
Health Sciences with a minor in addictions, mental health, and policy.
What year are you in?
I'm a third year.
Are you from the Waterloo area?
I am not. I'm from Markham.
Are you happy you chose Health Sciences at Waterloo?
Very happy.
And why is that?
It's just everything I could ask for in a program.
What's one special thing about the Health Sciences program at Waterloo?
That we explore everything about health. It's not just biomedical, it's everything around it.
One thing you wish you knew before starting this program?
That we do explore statistics and a little bit of math.
What's your favorite Health Sciences course so far?
Health 290, which is health neuroscience.
Why?
It really teaches you how to read a research paper, and also you learn more about the brain, which is pretty cool.
If you've learned one thing in class, what has it been?
How to read a paper and how to write an assignment, because those are very important.
How would you describe Health Sciences to people when they ask what you're studying?
Basically, I learn about everything about health, whether it's the social, ecological, or public health lenses. We touch everything.
If you had to choose a song to describe your experience in Health Sciences, which song would you choose?
Friends by BTS.
Did you know what Health Sciences was in high school?
I did, only in grade 12.
How did you find out that it was a program you could study at university?
I just Googled a whole bunch of health programs and it just popped up.
And how did you know it was the right program for you?
I read the program description and found that it fit me the best.
Where did you find the best information about different universities' Health Sciences programs?
You just Google it and you'll find it all on their websites.
What's your favorite part about the program?
Can you repeat that?
What's your favorite part about the program?
That we have a lot of hands-on experiences and the courses are pretty cool.
And the hardest thing about the program for you?
That we do write a lot of papers, a lot of assignments, so it could get a little bit tough to balance that out.
Most interesting thing you've learned in Health Sciences so far?
What social determinants of health is, which is quite important now that I realize.
And what are those social determinants of health?
Basically, they're factors that influence people's health and influences health inequities.
Is Health Sciences a good fit if you want to go to medical school?
Definitely.
How would you describe your fellow Health Sciences students?
We're really welcoming and really friendly and happy to help everybody out.
Who is this program a good fit for, in your opinion?
Anybody who wants to learn more about health and how we can address health inequities at a larger scale.
What's your biggest piece of advice for students struggling to choose a program to study at university?
My biggest piece of advice is, can you see yourself doing this program for the next 4 to 5 years?
What are you hoping to do with your degree?
I'm hoping to go to medical school or pursue more health research.
Is this what you always wanted to do?
For the most part.
And why is that?
I knew that I did want to do medical school, but I wasn't aware health research was a thing until I stepped foot in this program.
Do you feel like you'll have job opportunities after you graduate?
Definitely.
Why?
We have a lot of opportunities to get involved off and on campus.
Do you feel ready to enter the workforce?
Yep.
Why is that?
We learn a lot of technical skills in our courses, and also we get a lot of opportunities to explore different careers, again, on and off campus.
What's the top skill you've learned that you think will help you to be employable after you graduate?
My biggest skill, I believe, would be teamwork, because it is very important to work as a team in your career setting.
Are you in co-op?
I am not.
Why not?
Because I sort of forgot to apply in first year to switch over.
Are you happy with the way things turned out?
But I am very happy.
Is co-op the only way to get hands-on experience?
It is one of the ways we get hands-on experience.
Do you have friends who are in co-op?
All my friends are in co-op.
And do they enjoy it?
They do enjoy it.
What are some of the challenges you see them facing?
We were just in a current cycle, and sometimes it can be difficult to find jobs that are applicable to their skill set.
What's your typical class size?
As a third year, it's between 20 to 150 people.
Do you know most of your classmates?
I know some of them.
Can you take courses to prepare you for medical school in Health Sciences?
Definitely, yes.
And can you take courses outside of Health Sciences?
Yes, you can.
What's your favorite elective been?
I took Kin 100, just anatomy of the limbs and trunk.
And why was that your favorite?
We have a cadaver lab, so it's pretty cool to apply what we learned in lecture into the lab and see an actual human body there.
What's your favorite thing about your profs?
About my profs or the class?
About your profs.
About my profs. They're really welcoming and they're always happy to help out if you have any questions.
Do they have office hours so you can get extra help if you need it?
Yes, they do.
And have you ever visited a prof during office hours?
I haven't visited a prof, but I did visit one of my teaching assistants.
Were they helpful?
Very helpful to help me clear up concepts on assignment I was sort of stuck on.
How many hours of homework do you do in a day?
That is a very good question. I want to say 2 to 6 hours per day.
Is the workload manageable for you?
It is manageable. As a third year,
Are you ever sleep deprived?
very much sometimes, yes.
Any tips for high school students worried about managing their workload at university?
Get an agenda and make sure you know when your deadlines are. So a calendar can be pretty helpful with that.
What's the campus environment like?
It is quite studious, but it's also very student-centered too. So you see a lot of students just hanging around, studying a lot, but you also see a lot of people having fun as well.
Do you feel safe walking around campus by yourself?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite thing to do in Waterloo off campus?
I love to hit up some different cafes, get different types of coffee, and just study over there.
1 to 10, how would you rank your school spirit?
I want to say an 11.
And why is that?
Because I hang out with a lot of people who have the same school spirit as me, and it just helps that I'm surrounded by the people with the same energy as I do.
Are you involved in any extracurriculars or clubs?
Yes, I am.
Which ones?
Okay, this is a whole list. So I'm a student ambassador, I'm a health ambassador, I'm a research student at the Archie's Kukla Implant Lab at Sick Kids, research volunteer for the finding or searching LGBTQ plus health at UFT. I'm also part of a bunch of clubs, like marketing director for UW Mindful Creations and marketing VP for UW Supporting Sick Kids, and also a hospital volunteer at my local hospital.
Wow, Marie, you are busy.
No kidding.
Why did you join all these extracurriculars?
They're just something I'm passionate about, and I just find it the best way to get involved. Something you like to do.
What's the best way for a new health sciences student to get involved?
Clubs. Just clubs, that's it.
Where did you meet your first best friend in university?
A club, actually.
What's the health sciences community like?
We're really friendly and really welcoming to anybody who does join our wonderful community.
Is it academically competitive, or do you help each other out?
We help each other out a lot, whether it's through classes or through our extracurriculars.
Best tip for balancing social life and school?
Schedule your time for your courses as well as getting involved in different extracurriculars so you have the opportunity to have the social life.
Your number one piece of advice for a brand new health sciences student to meet people?
Again, join clubs because they're a really great way to combine your passions while meeting new people.
What would you tell your younger self, the one nervous about their future, today if you could?
You did it, so calm down, don't freak out. In grade 12, you got it. You're doing all A-okay.
How was the transition from high school to university?
I will say challenging.
Is there anything you wish you'd done in high school to prepare you?
I would have searched more clubs to get involved so I can be more active in my first year.
What's your number one piece of advice for a brand new health sciences student?
It's sort of cliche, but have fun, whether it's finding courses that you really like or getting involved in extracurriculars that you're passionate about. Just have fun. You're here for 4 years. Might as well.
Where's your favorite place to hang out on campus?
I'm always stuck at the Starbucks because I love spending my money on really expensive coffee.
All right, Maria, well, that's it. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Enjoy the rest of your day.